It's Derby Day, baby. Let's go.
Well, we made it to Tory PA Maple Festival. Everybody's getting the final touches in before we go to inspection. Recording. Big dog's helping Kale again. Everything finally situated. But we're gonna run through inspection and we'll see you guys after that. We're on inspection line.
You definitely want that. Yeah. Check fuel, so.
You ready, bud?
Yeah.
So me and Connor, we're both sticks up. He's on alcohol, so they got a little warning for him. Kale and Blake got sent back because they have donuts on there. They needed better tires, and Sean's car won't start right now, so trying to get them around so they get through inspection too. So Gale got his stick. He's all ready to go. Sean got his stick. He got his car running finally.
Get it over here.
He's all set to go. He'll put a 9-wire on, finish the touches. Blake's up here too. He's got sticks up. He had to change out his front tires because he had retreads on him. So, but we're all good to go. Like I said, Sean are finishing 9-wire work on his car. Well, it was a good day at Troy Maple Festival. Connor ended up getting first place in farm truck. I had my fun and my little escape. Reason I got out of it is because the seat filler is about touching the back of the seat. Fucked up the bumper a little bit. Nosed up a Suburban. But we have fun. Kale's car took a beating.
7.
We got 7th in it.
Motor blew up.
Motor got hot, but she ain't happy anymore.
She blew up.
Blake did good. Blake and Sean both did good.
Literally, it will go.
What happened to your car, bud?
I have no fucking clue.
Okay.
It's leaking tranny fluid.
Oh, well, it's leaking tranny fluid.
You're better at this.
But all in all, Sean's tire went flat and it won't crank over. I think when that was Blake's car. I don't know what happened to Sean, but Sean did good. Clutch might be burnt out in it, but he'd be running this at, we hope, Canis at Rega. But she's still pretty fresh. So we're getting the cars loaded right now. Got some skiddy help, so gonna have a fun time trying to load Kale's car and the 2 car. But I'll get back to y'all when we get this all loaded.
I'm gonna do a donut.
How in the hell?
Well, we're all loaded up. This is kind of wrapping up from the last end. Not terrible. But that a little help from the skiddy operator. But we're all loaded, ready to go home. I don't know.
Well, we came down to Troy PA today. We had 5 of us that rolled. Connor came and took home some money. Cam brought the escape again, and he definitely jumped it. Kale did pretty good in the youth class.
Blew the ass out, blew it up.
Blake back here, who's hiding, who doesn't want to talk, brought his PT, did pretty good. I brought a Camry down. We did pretty good. It was a good day. We had a good day for the crew.
You had a good day with your Camry?
We'll not talk about that. All in all, it was a good day.
Peace out. There, it's dead, so we're done. It's not dead.
It's still recording.
Well,
Okay,
thanks for watching.
If you enjoyed the video, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you all in the next one.